Alright, this little Mercury, if I could point at it with my camera, and it had a bad solenoid. Starter sounds a little rough. Way wrong spark plugs. They had BUHWs in it. I don't know what to do with them, but it doesn't even call for that. That's way the wrong plug. Starts and runs pretty decent. It fires right up. And peas. See it right there. I guess, what is this, 2005? It's kind of down here. 2006. Anyway, runs pretty good. I met this guy at the dock yesterday, so he was having some trouble and I could help him out.